Okay, so this is a piece of Douglas fir. It's about 2 inches thick, about 20 inches wide, about 3 feet tall. I'm running a 201 with just a regular still bar on there. This is going to be a Shou Sugi Ban green Christmas tree. I'm going to use the water-based wood dye to make it green. Okay, so here I am doing my quick shaping of the tree. It's going to be blowing in the wind, right? So here I am putting on my lines. There's so many different ways to do your trees, guys. This is the way I'm going to try and do mine this winter, I think. So you can see I'm just quickly cutting my lines in. Doing some undercuts there. You guys, when you do your chainsaw carving too, safety protection, guy. I got my pants on and my eye protection and earplugs. So here I'm doing undercuts underneath each top branch, or needles, or whatever you want to say it. Think of this as a pine tree just really blowing to the left in the wind. So I'm feathering the bottom wood away, and I'm also doing an undercut up and under too. Because guys, we got to burn this whole tree too, right? I'm just kind of rounding everything off. Super quick carve, guys. I didn't know how the Shou Sugi Ban would work for this Douglas fir, but it worked okay. Just kind of rounding everything off. There's my Kutzall extreme flame bit, 4-inch disc. You guys can get those Kutzall bits if you go to the description below. Now I'm just going to do some quick cleaning up, just get rid of the square edges and kind of round everything off. You don't have to have this Kutzall. You could use a sanding disc, guys. It's a lot safer and it works pretty good. And it's a lot cheaper too, actually. Because these Kutzall discs can really kick back and bite you. So just rounding, getting rid of all the, see the grain there? That's called face grain. Now we're gonna burn it. When you do the Shou Sugi Ban, Susie Shitter Pants, whatever it's called, you gotta burn really deep, guys. So there's just a typical burn. This is sped up, I think, 2 times the speed. Or that's... Now look how those things are, they call it alligator skin or crocodile skin. I don't know what the effect that is, but you can see the hot coals. That's how deep you got to burn it. So that's a water bottle, and I just kind of hit the high points so they don't like char away, right? Because you'll lose your detail. See that crack there? Screw it. Who cares about the crack? Burn it deeper. Get it nice and black inside there, right? Don't use sandpaper for this stuff, guys. You'll burn away all the Shou Sugi shit pants or whatever. Use these bristle brushes that you get on Amazon. I think they work real good too. Or you could use that scrub cloth stuff I'll show later. This is on, that's on like a extender, a drill bit extender. You get those things on Amazon too, those orange things. They come in sets of 3 for like 30 bucks. And here we go. So the more time you guys spend doing this, see, watch how I keep going over there just to show you guys. See how it gets brighter and brighter and brighter? That's sped up 8 times the speed. So it takes a long time to see the top. It's more brighter than the bottom. It takes a long time to get the brightness back in the wood, right? But it really pays off in the long run, okay? So here I am going. See in the middle how brighter it is? Okay, now I don't have the wood dye here, so I'm taking it, throwing it in my car, taking it home. We'll mix up some wood dye. So you guys can see, like, you really see the wood grains in there, right, from burning it. Okay, so this stuff comes from Lee Valley here in Canada. They ship worldwide. Lee Valley. It's water-based. Those are the packets you get inside the envelope. It's powder. And here I mix some up like I'm doing it like a freak. Okay. You don't need that much, guys. You really don't. And this stuff lasts a long time. So I mix it up. Look at my stick. Yeah, it's green. Okay, so I got it. Yeah, it's green. Get rid of that stick. So here, guys, when I put it on, I realized I didn't mix enough powder into the mix, right? That's okay. Less is more sometimes. Now you add more powder. So I did. I added more powder. It's darker green. By stick. Now you can see the green. Hold on. There, look how dark it is now. You guys don't mix it too dark. You don't want it too dark, right? Or do whatever you want. Okay, so there it is, green tree. Okay, so this is a heat gun. You have to make sure, remember it's water-based wood dye. You have to make sure the piece is dry before you put any kind of like lacquer or whatever is on it, right? So here it is all dry. You can let it naturally dry, or I have no patience. That's why I use the heat gun. You can see I got green on the trunk there. So this is the stuff that you can use too to do the Shou Sugi Ban, right? So I'm just gonna, don't use sandpaper, guys. You'll ruin the whole piece. In my opinion, just get rid of some of the green off that. I don't really care too much. It's on there. That's not a big deal. It's a friggin' Christmas tree. Okay, so here's how I'm gonna treat it. This is just whatever. Some clear coat. Clear transparent. There you go. And you guys, when you put this clear coat on, it gets darker again too, right? So when you do this Shou Sugi Ban with the water-based wood dye or any kind of dye, I think it's just, you can't wipe it on. You got to spray on your final finish, because when you wipe it on, you could ruin all the effects of the dye, right? Some of you see in my previous pumpkin dyeing wood dye video. Look at that color, guys. So here you go. Here's the final thing. So you don't have to have the wood dye, guys. You can put Christmas lights on there if you want to. You can get some white paint and touch the tips, so it looks like there's snow on the tips of the tree too. But I think it turned out pretty nice. What do you guys think? And yeah, so here's a close-up look. It's really fun trying different things, guys, but make your burns really deep. Now, what would a carving fusion video be without this? You gotta have the special effects, guys. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe and please like. Later.